Famous TikToker figure it out. Break silence and defend is littler, bro. Or is bigger, bro. Yeah, we don't know. But him a defend him, brother, my people. Akeem. And of course, we know so the people them always attack something about them youth. I say them a fish, them not straight, they have white boy a foreigner mind them and this and that. And you see me them share some picture when them used to just girly and them look away they and move like a bottom and people. I be a thing I go on my people, you see me, and I just know them news are growing, you see me, from the whole Naya situation, from them name they calling and Naya death, and them look away there, you see me, the people them always abundant them out my people. So figure it out, break silence as I'm say people and step out with a message for the people them. So we're going to share that I'm going to see what go on. Stay tuned, make sure I get 1,000 likes on this video. Please and thanks, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if this is your first time watching the channel. People, check out our go.
Bro, TikTok you can't say anything you don't want to say. TikTok is a place where we make for talk. But bro, some of the time them wanna not even make the date start. The dinner date not even start, bro. And it's a problem. Some of the time before the date even kick off, when you in a box I wanna start reason, wanna start criticize, wanna start bring down, wanna start this, wanna start that. Watch out man, it's when you come on to my brother, me I go come out and me I go defend him. And I leg of man shirt, man. On the leg of the man shirt, bro. I put the man in depression where the man not even want to come live, bro. And I see him so I feel, but me have to come out today and me have to talk up for the 2 hours. You see me? On the leg of the man shirt, bro. Every day, everything the man do is a problem, man. Pressure the youth. On a bill now, man. When I say amount all when I talk I want to do is still there and we do the right thing. When I ease up half and when I give we a break now. What we do to now? We are trouble now? We not trouble now, bro. Amount of thing we hear and I say go and come and we still never say about nothing to you, bro. We just make you talk and we make you do nothing and talk. Oh no want talk and do what you no want do. People like the series. Give we
how now me picture all about on social media, all type of bad song, all type of gun song. Let me tell you something. Me no in a gun business, you know. Me no in a violence, you know. Me born and grow a Lawrence Tavern. And I go up a Lawrence Tavern police station and go ask them about me. My name Anthony Rast, known as Brown Man. You sit down and quiet from where they and I listen and I watch with my people. And people are send me video on my phone and want to fix up in all type of style, all type of video. You know, talk about see me gun on there. I want to know.
So this man goes by the name Brown Man, my people. And right now, this man life in some serious trouble, my people. As you know, can see my people. From the Mandeville incident took place, my people, we notice the people them like them a look for the real Brown Man on the TikTok platform, my people. And it's like that man have an account, so them end up find this a man on the TikTok instead of the real Brown Man, my people. And true, it might look like the real Brown Man, my people. The man them edit some wallpaper picture, put him together, side of the real Brown Man, my people. And now this man life in a danger. So this man do a video one day ago, and he might explain himself, say yo, him don't know this man and him don't know violence kind of person. The people them stop edit the video them and the picture them put them together, you see me, because him life in a serious danger right now. And them can get him killed and them go away there, you see me, and him innocent and they know about nothing. Now my people, but one day after that video go viral, my people, we notice a police raid him yard, my people. Hundreds of police, my people, how much ratty jeep and how much Hilux and how much sitting, my people. Now as a man say people, we have to know where they are when we have put out some little picture and them look where they are and whoever put out that picture knowing themselves say yo, I know him that. But the fact that they might look alike, them just say alright, look how we're gonna run with this and trick them people, yeah. And people them might do it for views and them look where they are but them put innocent people life in a danger, more people, you see it's a thing, a serious thing. But people will have some exclusive video clip coming up with people, so stay tuned.
With another angle to what we saw in Mandeville 2 days ago. Brown Man, bad long time, says the Observer this morning. Brown Man, bad long time. Murder suspect was deported at least 3 times from Canada for armed robberies, reports show. Yeah, deported 3 times at least. So he made his way back to Canada. Well, that is not surprising. We have some ingenious ways of beating this system, whether it's US or Canada, anywhere. Man get dip, man find them way back. Yeah? So the Observer this morning is saying, Dave Wilson, brown man, the murder suspect in Tuesday's 4-hour standoff with the security forces in Mandeville, served prison time in Canada for armed robberies and was reportedly deported at least 3 times. According to the Globe and Mail newspaper, a Canadian newspaper, Wilson and an accomplice had been twice deported before a February 2003 robbery in Toronto, when heavily armed men wearing bulletproof vests overpowered guards in an armored car making a cash delivery to a bank. The February 14, 2003 article said the men fled on foot to a video store after their getaway car wouldn't start, leading to a hostage situation there. An employee reportedly managed to call the police, and when the store was surrounded by police, the men gave themselves up. The Globe and Mail newspaper said the Toronto police were outraged that 2 Jamaicans accused of a violent robbery and hostage-taking had been deported from Canada on several previous occasions. Oh, I think it's disgusting. There's a sieve that allows these guys to run in and out of this country. We were going to call these guys yo-yo bandits because they've been in and out of Canada so often. The article quoted Sergeant Wilf Townley of the Toronto Police Hold-Up Squad as saying. And it goes on to say Wilson and his accomplice had both been convicted and imprisoned in the 1990s for armed robberies, and on separate occasions the 2 were deported after serving prison terms. So he has a history of criminality. And then the same Observer reporter has another story on brown man. Woman recalls how rejected deportee in Mandeville standoff poisoned her dog and terrorized her. Oh, a woman who claimed she turned down relationship advances from deceased murder suspect Dave Wilson said he became a bad neighbor when she rejected him and started dumping garbage in her yard and even poisoned her dog. In recalling her nightmare with Wilson, 54, who engaged the security forces in a 4-hour standoff at a Caledonia Road apartment on Tuesday, the woman, who requested anonymity, said she knew him for 3 years as a reserved person, but things took a turn a year ago when he started displaying signs of aggression. My first interaction with him was about 4 years ago. It was just in passing, like hi and bye, she said on Wednesday. She said Wilson expressed his interest in her a year ago at a nearby plaza, but when she turned him down, their interactions became bitter, even over the use of a garbage skip. Quoting the woman, "Last year I went up there," that's to the plaza, "to fix something with my boyfriend, and Dave came up to me. Basically, him did a look me. I laughed it off. The first disagreement we had was over that garbage skip over there," she pointed out. For years, I've been dumping my 1 and 2 garbage bags over there in the skip. However, the woman said she was startled to wake up to seeing garbage strewn across her yard, and the culprit wasn't her dogs, as our closed-circuit television captured Wilson emptying solid waste there. So we're learning a little bit more about Brown Man.
100 rounds plus the ball and power of the man tool.
Okay.
So you see the 2 boy now will get gunshot that are dead right him other friend. Them are an innocent man. So when him shot Alfonso, you know, when Alfonso shot Marga man, him drive off. That after 7. Look at tip to 7. So by 7 o'clock, him go crashing on the wall. They go beam all auto parts places. So you understand?
Yeah.
So in a far distance, like we are done, so I just drive off, then him go lick it at the wall and dead. Cause I must say, I go hospital, drive go hospital.
Okay.
So no man now shot no man for no egg. So it's
I'm more on that. I'm more to that. I can't demand the war over.
the man them over car and a gun. Yeah, cause but the police them really never want to kill Alfonso AK Brown man. Them do want just carry me in. So when the man about talk about town police better than dog and mandable police, not like that. You know a man who famous and the police them still give him respect, cause is that a man who shoot people or kill people. It's just a man who come share some bread and do him things. So the police have themselves that probably one of them knows that about. Most of the police have him as a good youth.
Okay.
Yes. So that's why them never really want to kill him. But when the soldier them come, remember you know, over 2,400 rounds them pick up out of the house when never fire yet.
Bumbo, I hold my picture, I hold my car, you know.
That means a sales agreement that. Plus the gun, the rifle I'm a boss is a militarized rifle, so you know it's that dealer. That's why you see now the youth them in a man they will look up to him now. Because them say, alright, at least he's not dead like a punk. You understand?
Ja no star.
Yeah man, so him name me say me go check it out because I know me not gonna go look for him yet, and then the people in the year know the Maroon Emperor already, so when me drop in the year now come back at Christmas.
Which is right, that's true.
Yeah man, but him same name Alfonso Wilson. Now you know you them rapper crapper, so when you do your investigation always prompt.
That's true, man. That's how we understand. We always make sure we get some solid info.
Yes.
And that's why my man up on the ground, and sometimes you finally sight them to go up on. They say the spirit get collected already. You collect your spirit already.
Yeah, man. You know when you see me draw for plot a crystal ball, a normal thing, man. I go collect, man. Right now, the crystal ball shine like brown man spirit. I bright it up. I feel good right now because I'm good spirit at crystal ball.
We said that I want good spirit for putting a ring. Bad spirit.
Yeah, man. Down there, the brown man, a real bad man, man. Them spirit, they have to have that in a ring, man. They can't have no either spirit that people ring. What's when the rich people come for them ring? Yeah, man. That's why you see my ring. I can sell all a ring for all 40,000 US, 20,000 US, and the man never get ball. And people send my client come send because the years they know me sell ring crapper. You may about come back and say what about money yet.
But I know still, I know a long time you say you're a spiritual man still.
But you never hear no man come back.
It is.
But you never hear nobody come back and say about the money yet.
Well, me never know.